Hello everyone. Welcome to Daily English Practice. Let's learn English through picture description and questions answers based on the picture. This picture depicts a vibrant and cheerful garden scene. On the left, an elderly man with gray hair is watering his vegetable garden using a red watering can. He is wearing a blue apron, orange shirt, brown pants, and yellow boots. In the garden there are various vegetables including carrots, radishes, and cabbage. There is also a pumpkin on the far right, and a few cherries on the left. A snail and a bee add to the lively environment. In the background, a young boy wearing a yellow shirt with the letter T and blue pants is sitting on the steps of a house, looking thoughtful or possibly bored. The scene also includes a tree, a wooden fence, and a house with a brown door. The atmosphere is peaceful and focused on gardening and nature. Questions and answers practice based on the picture. What is the elderly man doing in the picture?
The elderly man is watering the plants in his garden.
What is the boy wearing?
The boy is wearing a yellow shirt with the letter T on it and blue pants.
What types of vegetables can be seen in the garden?
The garden has carrots, radishes, cabbages, and a pumpkin.
What animals or insects are present in the scene?
A snail and a bee are present in the scene.
What is the boy doing on the steps?
The boy is sitting on the steps, resting his face on his hands, and looking thoughtful or bored.
What is the color of the watering can?
The watering can is red.
What is growing on the left side of the garden?
Cherries are growing on the left side of the garden.
What is in the background behind the man?
A wooden fence, a tree, and a blue sky with a cloud are in the background.
What is the man wearing on his feet?
The man is wearing yellow boots.
What time of day does the scene appear to depict?
The scene appears to depict a bright, sunny day.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe the channel for more videos.